Hey adventurers, so imagine this. You leave Arizona thinking you're just headed back to Utah for the holidays.
And suddenly, you realize something very important.
We have 2 brand new son-in-laws.
Like, brand new, fresh off the wedding aisle.
And we barely know them.
Which means one thing. Commence Operation Let's Get to Know Our New Son-in-Laws.
And let's just say this operation involves snowy mountain passes, Bear Lake in winter, German Christmas festivals,
Your own personal nachos made right on the table in front of you, chocolate from around the world,
and a few moments where we realized
we forgot to take pictures of the most important things.
classic us.
So, let's rewind a bit and show you how this whole adventure unfolded. So we had been hanging out with my mom and dad in Arizona for a while.
Sunshine, warm weather, honestly, it was pretty nice.
But then it hit us,
Both of our 2 oldest daughters got married this year,
which means we suddenly had 2 new guys in our family.
and we were like, wait a minute.
Why are we still in Arizona?
We need to get back to Utah and get to know these boys.
So that's exactly what we did.
Packed up, hit the road, and headed north. And let me tell you,
The drive back to Utah was absolutely beautiful.
next stop, Bear Lake.
Now, normally Bear Lake is packed during the summer.
But we rolled in during November.
Definitely not peak season.
But wow,
It was gorgeous.
the snow had already fallen and winter was in full force.
As we came up over the mountain pass and dropped down into Bear Lake,
The views were breathtaking.
everything was covered in snow.
The lake, the mountains.
It honestly looked like something straight out of a Christmas movie.
So of course,
We took a bunch of pictures.
alright, quick pause. If you're enjoying traveling along with us,
You should definitely check out the Weekly Escape.
it's where we share exclusive travel tips, behind the scenes updates from our adventures,
And practical planning insights that help make family travel easier and more intentional.
We also share access to our travel assistant that will help you plan your next adventure.
Think of it like having a travel buddy that helps you figure out where to go, what to do, and how to make the most of your trip.
If that sounds helpful,
Join us on the Weekly Escape. We'd love to have you along.
alright, back to Operation Son-in-Laws.
Now, anytime we're in a new place,
You know what that means.
food exploration. We drove all over and found a couple new restaurants we just had to try.
First up,
The Rusted Spoon,
and then,
Seal's Cafe,
and both of them were definitely winners.
like the kind of places where you're halfway through the meal and already saying,
Yep, we're coming back here again.
and we definitely will.
Next on the adventure list,
A German Christmas festival.
we went with Atlantis and Jacob.
And it was honestly so cute.
It had all the kinds of displays showing what Christmas is like over in Germany,
And Alana said it actually took her back to when she used to live over there.
which made the whole experience even cooler.
Now here's the funny part though.
You'd think we'd have a ton of pictures with them.
But,
We somehow didn't end up getting a single picture with them,
well, it was because they got stuck in traffic.
and didn't make it until way late.
So while we were waiting,
We just took pictures to entertain ourselves.
which honestly feels very on brand for us,
One of the highlights of the festival,
they had a parade.
and this wasn't just any parade,
It featured
Krampus,
for all the naughty kids.
which honestly sounds terrifying.
Hey, let's keep going, kids. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get up. Let's go. Oh, there's like a coin.
Oh yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Edith doesn't get a chocolate.
That looks good. Hey. Oh man, careful.
I'm gonna put it in my pocket so I don't lose it. Let's go. Do you have a timer?
But thankfully,
There was also St. Nick.
for all the good kids.
So balance was restored.
That's a good Oh, I see you down there. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Give me a Christmas cheer!
We ended up staying in Bear Lake from Thanksgiving until the middle of December.
And then we found a cute little townhome to stay in for a while.
Now here's the thing,
For some reason, we didn't take many pictures of us moving in.
which is kind of strange because we document everything, right?
So you're just going to have to use your imagination.
Picture boxes everywhere, kind of like this.
Stuff stacked in random corners.
A little chaotic,
Basically,
a hot mess.
but a temporary hot mess.
Because once we got settled,
The sunsets were beautiful.
and it honestly just really felt good to be back in Utah. I think we were pretty excited because we were getting ready for,
Christmas in our new place.
and we had our own little cute tree.
Nothing huge.
Just simple.
And honestly,
It was one of the most low-key Christmases we've ever had,
we simplified everything.
and it turned out great.
One thing we've learned through traveling,
Less really is more.
living more of a minimalist lifestyle is surprisingly freeing.
And since we were simplifying,
We decided to do something very untraditional.
instead of a huge fancy meal,
We had a nacho night.
and it was actually so fun.
Here's how it works.
You cover the entire table in foil,
Then everyone builds their own personal nachos right in front of themselves,
whatever toppings you want.
right there on the table.
It was so good.
And honestly,
Just really fun.
we also spent some time just doing simple things
Like putting together a puzzle,
and celebrating with our second oldest daughter and her new husband.
which meant it was their,
First Christmas together.
so that was really special.
Yeah. You tricked me and said you didn't get one.
Yeah.
You were like,
We
It was
both
all full of trickery.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do with Christmas gifts.
I had a feeling it would be.
Yeah, same.
I had like 500 boxes of them. So I gave her one. Yeah. Big, huge sign.
I'm gonna eat this.
In one day. In one day.
Before we knew it,
It was time for New Year's.
Happy New Year
We rang in the new year in a very unique way.
by eating
Chocolate.
lots of chocolate.
But not just any chocolate.
Chocolate from all around the world.
And honestly,
I'm not sure it gets much better than that.
so Operation Let's Get to Know Our Son-in-Laws.
It's officially continuing into 2025
But the adventures are about to get even bigger.
because next up,
We're heading out on a big cruise.
and trust us,
You're not going to want to miss it.
if you enjoyed hanging around with us today,
Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure.
and if you want more travel tips, behind the scene updates, and help planning your next family adventures,
Come join us on the Weekly Escape.
we share resources, practical planning insights, and access to our travel assistant to help you plan your next trip.
Because the world is a lot more fun when you explore it together.
Thanks for coming along for Operation Let's Get to Know Our New Son-in-Laws.
Until the next adventure, Adventurepreneurs out.
Close them all the way. Look away. Look away. Yeah. Now hold out your hand. Boop. Open it.
It is half melt.
Yeah.
What is it?
But there. Look at
It's
the
a YouTuber. She watches. It's her
her merch
toy.
thing.
Yeah.